Leo, don't move! What happened? Look up! Oh no, the kitten! She's going to fall! Leo, stop! Did you hear that? Hear what? I only heard my toy car. Listen carefully, someone is crying. Wait, that sounds like a kitten. Where is she? I can see something white. Is it the kitten? I think so. Her tail is moving. She must be scared. How did she get up there? I don't know, but we need to help her. Don't move, little kitty. We are here. You are not alone. Can you hear me?
Meow.
She answered. Good girl, stay right there. Mom, we found a kitten upstairs. A kitten? Where is she? She is on a very high ledge and she looks scared.
Okay, nobody climbs up there.
But Mom, she needs help. I know, sweetheart, we will help her safely.
What should we do first? First, we stay calm and make a safe plan.
Tell me exactly what happened.
We heard a kitten crying. Then we saw her upstairs.
Is she hurt?
I don't think so, but she is frightened.
Good. Nobody will climb toward her.
Then how can we save her?
We will find a safe way. Let's think of 3 safe ideas.
We could call the animal rescue team.
That's one good idea.
Could we put soft blankets underneath her?
That can make the area safer, but we still need to bring her down carefully.
Maybe she will come to us if we call her. Come here, little kitty.
Come slowly. Nobody will hurt you.
Look, I brought some food. She is looking at you. That's a good sign.
Come on, kitty, you can do it.
She is moving! Don't make any sudden movements.
Okay, I won't move.
Come on, sweetheart, one little step. She is coming! Wait, something is wrong. Kitty! Oh no! Stay still! Dad! Dad, come quickly! Kitty!
Everyone, stay where you are.
Dad, her paw slipped!
I saw her. Don't worry.
What can I do?
Please bring the thick cushions.
I'll help.
Good, but stay beside Mom.
Is this cushion in the right place?
Move it a little closer.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
I brought another pillow.
Great job, Leo.
Are we ready?
Almost. We need one more thing.
What is that?
It's a soft rescue net.
Will it hurt the kitten?
No, we will use it gently and carefully.
We should never rush her.
Exactly.
Let's bring her home safely.
Where did she go?
She is hiding.
Maybe she doesn't trust us.
Then we have to be patient. Should I call her?
Yes, but use a soft voice. What if the kitten is afraid of the noise?
Then we should make everything quiet.
Good idea.
I'll turn off the noisy machine.
Thank you.
Everyone, whisper from now on.
Okay, quiet rescue mission.
Hello, little one.
We are still here. Take your time.
Good. She is coming closer.
Meow.
That's it. You are safe. She trusts us now.
Maybe she knows we want to help.
Keep the bowl steady.
Okay. Everyone stay calm.
Come on, kitty.
She moved again! Dad!
I'm ready.
Everyone stay calm.
Nobody chase her. Okay, we will wait. Wait, did you hear that?
Another meow? Maybe there is another cat nearby.
That could explain why she is looking around.
She might be searching for her mother. Maya, look! Is that her mother?
It might be.
Meow.
She answered her mother.
She knows she's there.
Then let's get her down safely.
Yes, this is our moment. Everyone knows what to do?
I will keep her calm.
I will hold the blanket. I will keep the light steady.
Perfect.
Kitty, we're ready. Slowly, slowly. You can do it. Almost there.
Stay calm, little one.
She jumped! Dad, catch her!
I've got her!
Easy, little kitty.
They're together!
She looks so happy. A mother's love is special.
And helping someone in trouble feels special too.
We did it together. Look, she's playing. She forgot how scared she was.
A safe place can change everything.
And kindness can make someone feel safe. I want to help animals again. Are you hungry? She is looking at the food.
Let her eat slowly.
And here's some fresh water.
She really likes it. She must have been hungry and scared. Look, Kitty, your mommy is here. She came back. Let's give them space.
Good idea.
Are you ready to go home?
Meow.
Today we learned 3 important words. Help, safe, together.
Can you make a sentence?
We help each other.
Excellent.
What would you do if you saw a kitten in trouble? Would you try to help? Remember, don't climb somewhere dangerous. Ask an adult for help.
That's the safest choice.
Today we learned something important.
Always ask for help.
Yes, and don't panic.
Think first, then act safely.
And remember, teamwork makes hard problems easier.
I like teamwork.
She is sleeping. She looks so peaceful. Good night, little kitty.
Good night. You are safe now. Did you enjoy our kitten rescue story?
What was your favorite part? Remember to stay calm when there is a problem.
Ask for help when you need it.
And always be kind to animals. Can you say it with us? Help, stay safe, work together.
And be kind.
Tell us in the comments, would you help this little kitten? Like the video if you love kittens.
And subscribe for our next English story. See you next time.